Hi, this is Alfred Jose. Today I'll be starting my journey for my hair growth, skincare maintenance at Skinlab, Chennai. The clinic is located on Khader Nawaz Khan Road, Nungambakkam. My first impression when I entered the clinic was maintained very well and the clinic staffs were very welcoming. I had a consultation with the senior doctor at the clinic. The consultation happened in detail and the doctor was very attentive and listened to all my concerns. The doctor advised me to go for plasma growth therapy for the hair, which helps to strengthen my hair follicle and reduce the hair fall. The treatment was painless and the doctor and the assisting staff took all the precautions and ensured all safety standards are followed. I was quite impressed with the service, customer care pre and post treatment. I will definitely go back to take my next session at Skinlab, Chennai. You can also call at 7358 400 400 for all your skin and hair needs.